Hello everyone. In this video I am going to illustrate the new search functionality that has been added. It has been requested from many individuals at Rahmani, and so we came up with a solution for that. So you can use the search functionality in order to search for a product based on its code and its description. Then you can get a list of the products at each stock location. Okay. You can also use the search form to add products to the sale order. That is also possible, and it's an option if you want to use that. So let's quickly demonstrate. So your normal way of creating a quote. Okay. So let's suppose this is a cash customer. You will notice there is a search button here. So what you do is you click on the search button, then a pop-up will come up. Okay, so then you click on the box and then you click on search more. This is if you want to search by code and by name. But if you want to use the normal searching that is already there, you can just write any characters of the code or any characters of the name and the product will come up. So let's click on search more to illustrate the new functionality added for the search. We enhanced it. So let's say we're going to search for abrasive paper. Okay, so I'm going to write code AD3. Okay, so AD3, then you click on, see this is where you need to focus. This is code, search code for AD3, which will search for the code for the product. Okay, and this is the name or the description. So I wrote AD3, then I'm going to click on code. So see, it brought up all products with matching characters AD3 in the code. Okay, see, there's AD3 here, there is AD3 here, and there is AD3 here as well. Yeah. Now I'm looking for a very specific product. Let's say I want abrasive paper P180. So then I'm going to type P180. Now I'm going to click on name. Okay, so I click on name. See, now I have one product. Okay, so after you find your product, you click on the product. It will show up its unit price, default quantity is 1, and the default showroom, just as the sale order line. So as I mentioned, you can use this part here to add, okay, the sale order line or the line to the sale order. Okay, but let's say now I want to know the quantities. So I click on search, and it shows up that there is 285 of this abrasive paper at the main showroom. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, so I click again on search, and let's search for something else. Let's say I'm going to look for this product here. Okay, so ACCA, so I'm going to type ACCA, code ACCA, so to bring up whatever has ACCA, which are 11 products. Now I'm looking for this product here, 25 mm. So I'm going to write 25 mm, and I'm going to click on name, and to show up one of these two. Yeah, so I'll click on this cable. Okay, and I click on search. Okay, okay, so this one doesn't have any stock. Okay, let's look at one that actually does have stock. Okay, let's search for ACCA code. Now I'm going to search for 35 mm name. Okay, so this one, again, these two don't have stock. Okay, let's look for one that has stock. Let's start okay, all of them don't have stock. Okay, so let's look at another product. Let's look at okay, this one here, ADB. Okay, so I'm going to write down ADB, matching substring of the code. It brought up all of these options. I'm targeting this one here, so I'm going to write 650, for example. So it will match the string 650 in the name, and I have this one put it, and there's 206 on hand. Now we click on search, and see, shows up the quantities. So there's 28 in main showroom, there's 9 in Ras Al Khor, there's 21 in Nakhil, and 148 in Al and this is the total. So see, the search functionality now is has been improved by a great deal to try to make it easier when searching for a product. And then in addition, if you want to use this is optional, or you can just use it for information. So now you know you have the quantities beforehand. Before adding to the sale order, you can just close and then go normally, just like you usually do. Or you can make use of this feature here. Let's say 13 from Al-Qos, and you're going to sell one for 21. Okay, so you fill this in, then you click on add. Okay, this is if you're going to use this functionality, and it will add this information to the sale order line. If you're not going to use it and you just use this the search view just for searching, you can just click on close and that's it. So here I click on add. Okay, and as you see, it is added to the sale order line. Okay, just as I mentioned. Okay, 21 multiplied by 3, 63, and this of course margin percentage will appear only to the sales supervisor and branch managers. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been elaborative, and this is the new functionality that has been added. Thank you.